is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here for the second reaction. This video, hold on, wait, before we do anything else. The washing machine in the side ground, why for the background, washing machine at the side ground, I do it thing. So if you hear it at the washing machine, I do it, You understand? So don't worry about that. Just put focus on. Focus.
Concentrate.
Alright. So this is the second most popular video on the channel. This video is over 10,000. The most popular one is Bounty Killer one, which me soon react to as well. The first Bounty Killer one, me soon react to. So we just literally upload the first reaction. As you can see, the notification pan thing there I go mad, you see me? So just literally this minute just put it up so people say first and second and third. So today we react to the first GTA video. Like in the first one, I go pause it and talk and do me do and get back to it. So let's just jump straight into it. Alright?
What is up again, guys? Jamaica's Worst Gamers here. Today we are playing Grand Theft Auto 5 online. So you don't know, I'm gonna give it to you raw. Like chicken in a Kentucky.
Remember that.
5 till now, me would lead ya. So today we are gonna go around the city and mess about with other players and also just do some madness, just wreck the city.
Anytime I come out to come try to hold players, I always drive the carrier or any other armored carrier I have. You know it's a GTA this. So this was my little garage where before me buy apartment and get before me buy office and get what it pass car space. So my Jamaica flag up on the rooftop.
See what I go on. So I'm gonna be driving my Duke of Death. You know, say people are got dead. So
yeah, the machine in the background.
See what going out there.
Machine going one bag of thing.
Mash them up.
How about the machine?
But this is gonna cost havoc in the city, Yardman style.
Right.
So let's check the map and see what go on. Who up on the map?
Oh yeah.
Who up on the map? Who there? Nobody? Oh, somebody there. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Machine quite
somebody
nice.
In one thing there.
Still I go.
Go check him. Somebody in one oppressor. And them oppressor then ramp with people in the dog. Oh, sure. Gone the other way. So that's
oppressor good. The worst vehicle on the game.
That's good. Enough people in the lobby, man. Remember them saying nobody in the lobby. So I go around and just mash up some people's face. Kill some people. And then I go kill my back.
Why?
I can't drive. So I just go around and just smash up some people. And fight with some people. Oh.
Bad word.
Him gone. Him get on the oppressor and gone.
Bad word.
Jano,
machine come down.
See them gone.
Machine come down a little bit, so I could go in right now.
Donkey. Who else in the city I can go mess with? You, what you do, sir? You move? Alright, I'm not coming over there to you. Know yourself. Soon forward.
Remember that video, you know? Remember that video, dad?
Listen. Where you come out, come do? Where you come out, come do?
War now, you know?
What you want? What you want? Eh?
You want war? Move.
You want war?
Turn on.
Turn to him.
Yeah.
Hey, you from Salome?
No, yourself.
Coronavirus.
No. What you want me to say?
Watch it.
No, yourself.
Come from my car. Get up.
Yeah.
Take a little money too.
Get
Take
up.
a little money. Jump back in my car. No,
what boy address like him want?
Oh, well, I'm blow up your truck too. But if you see your getaway.
Yo, remember that video, you know? This is my first
thing. Truck.
Bad word again.
Come on from truck. Blow it up.
Bad word again.
Come on, jump up. Where you jump up? Oh, think I'm here, come rush.
Why for the come?
Drive over him too. Blow up him car now.
No, yourself.
Bright and out of police to back me now.
Bad word again.
Who you know?
When they have a nasty mouth.
Yo, yeah.
Nasty mouth.
Alright. So I go around Jamaica and just mash up the whole city.
Nasty mouth.
Man style is it.
It's actually quite cringing listening back to those so much bad word that cause it's very cringing. And I'm glad some stop with the bad word. I'm glad some stop with the bad word. You see me? So let's go.
See what I go on. I speed through the city. 2 police after me. Me no business with nobody. Me I run through the light car. Me name Me can't rhyme. Leave that alone.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Alright.
That's about right.
Alright. Him still there? Him still there? Yes, him still there. Him still there. Him still there. Go on, go. Go see him.
You can't see the map because I am in the way of the map. I'm literally in the way of the map. Well, I'm see I can bring up the thing a little bit more. I'm in the way of the map, which is not cool, but you know, map. Oh, come here, sir. Alright, cool.
Up to. What a wrong place, my guy, you know?
Bad word.
Dog, you fooly, dog.
Alright, bring down about the map.
Reverse, man. Let me check the map good. Really Jamaican's worst game at.
Sorry about that, people.
You know them boy, they were big and full food from them a go school, never broke a fight, never broke a rule, stitching in the class, everybody eat. Get a little money, get a little food, make a little dollar. Hey boy, that make your bad. Watch it.
Oi, let other people
come here, come to watch it. Alright, where am they now? Up beside them somewhere. Alright, go up closer to him.
You carry the drive, go anywhere in the dog.
So I'm go off the radar. I think. You go off the radar again. Yeah, I have to call Leicester down.
Yeah,
Dirty Leicester.
Yeah.
Dirty Leicester, where you there?
Man, go off of the radar and then I'll look on the map.
Dirty Leicester. Go off of the radar.
Oh, the man gone run on the next road.
Come, Leicester. Quick.
What can I do for you?
Off the radar for 5 days. Leicester, you're TV, man. You're trying to come off the radar.
Why there, sir? Why go there, sir?
TV, dog.
Them kill him, man.
Where they?
See him up on the ground. A flatter like chicken.
So the man gone.
Him just dead, you know, see? Idiot.
I joke this. Oh, see there? I can go somewhere a while ago.
Big
All right.
idiot.
See him there? See him there? What am I do? What am I do? What am I up to? What am I up to?
Sorry. Come out of my car. What you doing on my
car?
Brighty.
Come out tight, man.
What am I doing on my car?
Come out of my car.
Lift out.
Where are you going for?
Know yourself.
Brighty.
Bright, you're bright. Why not? Know yourself.
Who you? Get up. Get up. Get up. Where are the select gun?
What? Fool. What am I trying to do?
Fly without wings, boy.
Yeah.
You might go come after me now. Oh yeah, come thief car. Brighty. You better look inside the whole city after me now.
You must see. Fool. Hey, Kunta. Hey, Rambo. Kill them all and done. Kill them all and done. Power rifle all and gun. Boy life a done. Body they pandit.
You want them on? Say hello to my little friend. Come back to my car before police them come, cause them are coming now. I can't bother with them now. Who else wanna map me can't go back? Oh, I'm still about team, yeah? Still like a mash him up, see him here. I'm not gonna lick him down with the car.
Why?
Boom, and I'm back.
Why if you lick down with the car?
You come and try thief car like a your car. Bright no bomb bat. Favor John Crow. Go for him again. Go for him. I'm just gonna troll him and just mash him up. Where am they? See me, yeah? See me, yeah?
Know yourself.
Boy.
Gunshot him. Bad word.
Hey,
Must
come
bad
on.
word, Marcus. Bad word him.
A
Not
different
about
gun.
bad word him. Gunshot him. Bad word him.
That's a different gun.
I can't speak.
Alright. Catch up with him and now.
Go for him.
Get my gun ready. To shoot him.
Go for him. Go for him, boy. See that? See me.
Watch out.
A reverse king. Gunshot. Watch out, look back at him. Why you the man?
Oh, yeah, reverse gun, brother.
Why you the man, man?
I'm gonna reverse around the whole city. Hey, come on.
Reverse. Yeah, come. See me.
Come on, dog. You troll people at least can drive, brother.
Hey, can't drive it up.
At least can drive, dog. Alright. Go for him now. Where my troll? But boy must reverse. Mr. Reverser.
What up?
Your favor, idiot.
What is? God. He crashed it on nothing.
Yo.
Where him gone? I run after him gone. I troll him, mash him up. Jamaica style. Mash up the city. Yardman style. You want some of this? Pop him tired then.
Gunshot him.
Not him. Mash him up.
Don't make him kill you now. I'm
You
carrying
can't
you.
shoot me,
What
brother.
do you mean him can't shoot you? Where am I
can't
do then?
shoot
Where am I
me
do?
now.
Where am I do then?
What you do?
Watch out, the man, I go kill
What
you.
you do?
Gunshot him
Load the
back.
gun.
Watch out.
Yeah? Kill him.
The boy try off for me.
Police are come. What me do, officer? One on one,
After
officer.
they're good youth. Never know.
One I go do. Do something. Do something before something there. I want to take care now. Ah, you idiot.
Gunshot
Oh,
him.
no.
Bad word again.
Big idiot. I can this man. This man from 90s. Yo, what? I'm jumping on my chopper. I'll kill
This
some
man
people.
from 90s.
Jumping on my chopper. My chopper there.
Right there. I'm
Chopper there, so.
Yeah, see
Yeah.
that. Buzzard.
Yo, brother.
Buzzard.
Jamaica, we don't like cops.
Me not like police.
We don't like police.
No,
Not from
no.
police. Run out of this
Bad word again.
level.
Not
Level.
see me. Turn right.
Who you? Yo, cut that. Cut.
Cut before them shoot.
Cut. Like that knife.
Paul,
Go,
bad
man.
word.
Radical. Watch it. We missed it.
Machine left to go now.
That's the boy on my shoot.
People don't worry about the machine. Chase it. Don't worry about the machine. It's low,
I'll
but
find
don't
somebody
worry
else to
about it.
mess about it. Land daddy. Where am there? Land daddy. Easy does it.
That not easy.
Where am there?
Who me a kill? Oh, see me down on the map. Go for him. Watch out. Gunshot him. Where you do?
Yo.
Know
boy,
yourself.
You don't see
Move
me
back.
talk to you.
Get up.
You don't see me talk to you. Wagwan.
Aye.
Oh, okay, alright, war.
Watch out. Where you at, Tom?
Boy, thump in a run. Don't thump and run, man. Come.
Move.
Move.
Know yourself. No,
Move.
police will kill me.
Oh, man, the police are killing the dog. Running up, brother.
Yo, man. Yo, I'm a coward.
You left them. Them killing.
Dead.
Police killing.
They're killing.
Police murder him. Yo, police murder him. Look at nastiness. You can't catch me, daddy. I would have carried off a dope, sir.
How for carry this?
You alright, my friend? Are we reaching us, sir? Yo,
How
give
you
me
reach-
this.
how
Give me
that?
this. You're deaf. Yo, give me this. Last time I asked you, give me this. Quick, man, before the police
I'm
kill me.
reaching this anyway.
Yeah, I do. Where you reaching us, sir, anyway?
Yeah, that
I must
one.
have take care of it, sir. Look, come here, come.
I'm reaching for the bridge and chat down this. I understand that.
Look for. You love man, daddy? Tree there, you know? There's a tree there, mate. There's a tree, mate. Yo, leave this area, daddy. Find somebody else to ramp with. Cause them police, yeah. Reach what they, you know? Go back down there. I'm afraid of police. Police are afraid of me.
Know yourself.
Me
Police.
run thing. Oh, you come here.
Killer. Know yourself.
You know me like what I do.
Big idiot
Big
police.
idiot. You know them police they were big
Big
and
and
fool from them. I got school. Never broke a fight. Never broke a rule.
Snitching at the class, everybody eat.
Put a
Run,
sticky
run.
bump on him back.
Quit now.
My boy see me and start run.
I'm Irish level again.
Yo.
Level Irish level.
Yo.
Watch out,
Watch
Tom.
out.
Pump it and go on. Tom.
Watch
Ooh.
out. No, stop. Don't make him kill it. Don't
Wait,
make him
yeah.
kill it.
No. And the kid.
That's what they kill it.
To a go on in the world, I know.
Better you go your bed.
Swallow let me down. May I go back for him. When there?
People, if you
Look
enjoy
at
them
that
reactions
face
with them,
down
let me know, yeah.
Look at police want him now. I run go back on the film. Me not make him kill me, so you mad? Where him gone? You tell me say him gone on one car. Him gone on one car? Alright, I'm jumping on my chopper and shoot him out of that. Look at police after him now.
Him gonna close shop. I think
Police
he's gonna
have
close
time.
shop.
Do I hear that police, man? What am I doing, man? Sergeant, look at an idiot. And where you go? You know them boy they were big and full from them. I got school, never broke a fight, never broke a rule. Sitting in the class, everybody eat. Get a little, make a little money, make a little food. Hey boy, me say
That don't make you bad. You're still a nerd. Knock him with the mag. What am I trying for me now? See, what?
Okay.
I'm trying for your dad.
I don't want to shoot me to the sky.
Jump.
That just took a weird turn.
Yeah, with them killing an helicopter.
I'm not trying to shoot at all.
I have skills. Jump out of that. Oh, I'm clear. Land this.
I'm not trying to shoot out the sky. See it there?
Like it's a blow up. Alright. Which way the board now? Land beside
I'm not
that.
trying to shoot out the sky.
Watch out!
You never see that there, dog? Yo, get that gun here, quick. See my camera now, sir? Where your camera now, down? After you try to shoot me to the sky.
Drop.
Where am they? Up the sir. Up the side there. Up the side there.
Watch out. Remember this. Watch out. Boof!
Move. Come here. You come down here, sir.
Move
Drop down
again.
here. Drop down here. Drop down here. Come on, man. Drop down here, idiot. Where you try to shoot me from never shoot in the first place?
To the left.
I never shoot it anyway. You gone out there, sir?
Yeah, I'm going on the other side of the road.
Boy, I run. The
I can
boy,
drive
I
him a drive, man. I move
The boy,
fast.
I run. Give me that carrier. Stop.
Boy. Back up.
Take a for them car, cause I need for them car. You know them boy that were big on football from them a school never broke up for. Hey, come on, here now.
If you don't notice people, me not really pause that when I too much. I just make it run and just react to it same as we go along. Yeah.
You see me not? You see me not right away. Watch
Oh,
out.
the machine stop. Thank God.
Watch out. You know them boy that were big on football. Oh yeah, man. We are shoot after man. Police. Cut like knife before them kill daddy. Cut like knife before them kill daddy. Them a forward, you know? Yeah, go over here, sir.
Over there.
Alright, over here, some more on there.
Boom.
Alright, see them a
That was
forward.
heavy landed.
Chopper there still. Alright,
can't-
one on the ground.
No, don't go this
no,
side.
not
You're
that
not
one,
getting from them.
Not that one. Find the next
No.
one.
Go up more. Yeah, go up more.
Find the
You'll
next
get
one.
to the upper side.
You
Yeah,
know
go
them.
down on the side.
What?
That's what
What
police are, sir.
What we not doing down here?
Not no rich.
That one, eh?
No, not that one.
If you're gonna one of them still, so I'm not carry vision.
You're not get to another one there, brother. Really and truly. You got on the chain line.
Am I forward?
Don't not forward, that's a straight.
Right, guys, I'm back out of the tunnel now. I go look at car for thief
Yeah.
and see if we can find one more somebody for troll.
When you can hear me button, I go
Alright.
so click. That because the setup was different. Like I was literally playing on the table. Like made it have my the mic. It wasn't this mic, but it was a mic like this, and made it have it and the controller in my hand. Obviously, that's why you hear it click, and that was a 9, bro. I hear that. Hated it.
Teeth out carrier. Big idiot.
Far we are forward from though.
Don't never done a dirty career. Go link him. See what I say. Yeah, see what I say. Come on, move here, man. I must say, I'm a Jamaican in that. I'm not take check from people in the brother.
Not check.
I'm not take check from people in that.
Check bounce. We don't take
You
check.
hear that? I'm not like police. I'm not like informer.
Know that.
You know
Oh, you're
that?
telling me shut up, right?
You just told me to shut up.
Yeah.
Yes, you catch on straight away.
In my run.
Yeah, this beans
Remember,
was
say
bad.
Usain Bolt come from my country, no boy. So, me if you be the runner, no, but me not run from him. I forward to ya. Turn. All right. You know them boy they were big
Big and
for fool.
fool
From them I got school, never broke a fight, never broke a road. Go down the way. Come and see what I do.
Yeah, we love that
You see
song there, see?
exactly what I do. Look a crow bait.
Watch out.
Look a crow bait. Go the way.
Yeah, cut him off.
Come and see what you do.
Oh, am I go the other way?
Me see what you do.
Throw them up there now. Throw them up there.
I'm tired of running and I eat that in a car.
Chopper. Man have money, man have chopper. No one self.
Up there.
Money.
Watch me on the nastiness now. I kill the bounty first. Where am
I
there?
want today.
Bounty there.
Missile ready. Ready one.
Go
Yeah.
over the thing like a nastiness. Get a little money here. Land. Where am there?
See him there.
Wanna
Want to
kill him
bounty
already?
again? Somebody kill him already? Not kill him
Wanna
again.
kill-
Bro. Kill him again. Wire. Kill him again. Turn on, idiot.
Kill the man already.
Turn on, idiot.
And insist me I come kill him.
Him never see.
What
Oh,
that? Nastiness.
hold him. Done him.
Where?
Yeah, that dead.
Big fool. Where?
Them dead. Them dead. man.
Nonsense.
Them dead.
You told me that my smart personal vehicle them charge me for it. Me no business.
Someone in a gun, someone in a spray shop.
Where the original bounty that I come from.
Someone in a spray shop.
I'm gonna put a sticky bump on him back. If I can.
Team there. The one I'm moving now. Him move now. How move, sir? Oh, you're close, man, sir.
6 hours later.
Move from. You come, hey boy.
You're close, man, sir, you. Move
Don't
on, don't
mark
close,
me.
man. Run, boy.
What you do?
You're close, mark, sir, boy. Oh, you're safe,
What you
move
do?
yourself. You're grounds,
do?
brother. And the left the game?
What you do?
That's the left the game, man. No left the game.
What you
Gunshot,
do?
man. Yeah, man, kill that.
Big idiot.
Kill
What
that.
you do? Come on, grounds up a man like you think some man a grounds. No grounds in.
Why you forget?
Yeah, chip.
Deaf. Deaf.
No grounds in round here.
Deaf.
Machine a stop.
Yeah, do you?
Machine a go in now.
Hold that.
Hold that. Boop
Hold
back.
that.
Boop back.
Hold
Yeah,
that.
know yourself.
Hold that. Yeah, Jamaica.
Yo, the only time I bad, I went time in the helicopter or the oppressor. I'm not bad otherwise, you know. I'm not bad.
Gonna terrorize the city tonight. Deaf. Guys, this is where I'm gonna end the video. So thank you
Yeah.
for watching. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Guys, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Also, remember I'm
Got it.
Jamaica's
Got
worst
it.
gamer, so
Ooh.
I can't play the game, right? So just subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and tell me what you think and what you would have done differently in the game. Thanks. Until
Thanks.
next time.
Until
Peace.
next time. So that was my first GTA video. That was my first GTA video I want to do. And put it on the channel. And that video has done the second best apart from the Bounty Killer video. That video there over 10K. So I'm really grateful to you guys. I've got a long way. Yo, that video there was stuck on about 36 for a good 3 months, for a good 2 months, 36 sub. Now go 36 like views. Now go over that message. Jesus Christ, me tush. But they're 10K now, so I'm grateful for that. Thank each and every one of you for keep supporting the channel, for keep subscribing. Like and comment, as you can see on the screen right now. Like and comment. You understand? And please follow if you're not following also. You understand? Alright. I'll see you guys in the next reaction. I love them reaction and they just bring back lots of memories, and I hope you guys enjoy them too. You understand? So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Cause this dirty machine I make nice in my ears. And I can't take this dirty machine and wash dirty clothes. No, clean machine and wash dirty clean. See you later. Peace.